subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want crypto content. All right, so when I come to this section, okay, this is my YouTube channel. All right, so this is it. When you come to SAS Media Studio, okay, then click on playlist. Okay, they have a lot of playlists over there, and I have started my cryptocurrency playlist. I have 2 videos now. Every day I'll be posting a video over there. Okay, so take it really serious. All right, so that is it. Now let's go back to the purpose of this video. So now this is it. So Binance is a cryptocurrency wallet. So Binance is a very trusted wallet. Okay, yes, in this particular video I am going to show you how to register an account on Binance. So all you have to do is you just have to check the description down below, okay, and check the first comment. You will get a Telegram link. Okay, copy the link or just click on the link to join my Telegram channel, and you are going to see something like this: Crypto Hub. That is the name of the channel. This is what you are seeing over there. So first of all, you have to come to this, okay, the Binance link. Right click and copy, all right, and open your browser and just paste it. Okay, just paste it into your browser, and it is going to open the Binance website just like what you saw. All right, so this is it. This is how it is going to appear. All right, now if you are using a phone, you might not see something like that, but you might see something like this. Let's see. All right, you might see something like this on your phone. All right, so this is how the phone is going to look like. Okay, all you have to do is just click on the sign up you see over here. All right, so I just click on sign up. Okay, if you are using a computer, just click on sign up over there, and that's all. You understand? So I am trying to balance the phone and the computer all together, right? All right, so now just click on continue with Google. All right, you are going to see the same thing on your phone. All right, yes, so that's, so I'm going to select my Google account. This is it, and click on confirm. Okay, so you can use any account. So as you can see, create your account. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm. This is from the computer side. What about if I want to, if you are using phone, this is how you are going to see it. All right, don't check this side, just check this side. So this is how you're going to see it on your phone. All right, yes, so you just click on confirm. Okay, and that is all. All right, so you can see set up your account. Your account has been created successfully. Set it up now. All right, so now you can leave this blank, okay, and click on this, okay, to select this. Okay, if you are using phone, this is what you are going to see. If you are using a computer, okay, this is how you are going to see it. It's just going to make it bigger. Okay, there's no much difference. All right, so click on next. All right, so now stay logged in. Okay, then click on yes again. This is for phone users. A computer is the same thing. All right, just the interface are very okay. I know a lot of people are using phone. Okay, so this is how it's going to be like. Okay, so check this side. Okay, so click on okay, and that is it. So now you can download the app. Okay, when I click on download, you can download the app on your mobile phone. You can download the app on your on your computer as well, I think so. All right, so let me try, and I've clicked on the app. Let's see. So you can install it from your Play Store, you understand. So that is it. So I'm going back, and that is it. So now listen very carefully. So let me make it bigger. Okay, let me close it. Okay, if you are using a computer, this is how you are going to see it. Okay, if you are using a phone, you are going to see it how it was before I changed it to this. Okay, so this is it. So all you have to do is just click on deposit. Just click on deposit, and then click on the deposit crypto. Just click on that, and that is it. Okay, we are on our way, almost there now. All right, so they are saying before we make a deposit, we need to verify our ID. You need to verify our account. All right, so you have to use your ID card to verify this account. Okay, yes, so you just have to click on verify over here. All right, so now click on get verified. All right, so this is it. So you know my country has been selected already, so click on continue. Okay, if you are using a phone, it should be is the same thing, so don't worry at all. Okay, so this is something, this is how you are going to see it if you are using a phone. Okay, so this is how you are going to see it, right? Make it a little bigger. So this is how you're going to see. So you have to fill in your name over here. So I'm going to use Kojo Nketia because I'm not going to verify because my real name on my ID card has been used already. Okay, so Kojo Nketia. All right, so now I've filled the information. Click on continue. Then you select your country again. So you can just have to click on that and select Ghana, or you can just click on the country you saw over here. So click continue. So now you need to enter your date of birth. Okay, I'm going to enter any. Yes, September is cool. The any at all. Okay, then click on continue. All right, so you need to enter your residential address. You can use any your area. Okay, let's say near MTN uh transformer transformer. Okay, then comma Cape Coast. You understand? So you can write something like that, then click on continue, and that's all. So you can add more details to your listing. Yes, so you can even delete this. You can even delete the Cape Coast, because you'll be adding the city over here, so you can use the Cape Coast here. So the postal code is 00233. Okay, you can use this. Then the city is Cape Coast. So just enter your city, and the country is selected already, so click on continue. Okay, so now this is how things is going to be like. Okay, so now this is it. All right. All right, so now this is it. So now you need to select your Ghana card. You can use your passport, or you can use your driver's license. So when I click on my Ghana card, it has selected. Okay, then click on continue. So I know a lot of Ghanaians have Ghana card. Okay, if you are using if you are in any other country, you can use your government, your national government card. Okay, then click on continue. All right, so now you need to take picture with the phone, or use an existing photo, and just go ahead and register. Okay, thank you for watching this wonderful video. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, so that I'll know that you love crypto content, and also subscribe for future updates. Let's meet next time. Goodbye.